Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas here. Once again, showing you another fun and cool cocktail. Okay, and today, well, para toda mi gente de Colombia, we're gonna try to make la Lulada. Please stay here with me and let me show you how it's done. All right, so guys, la Lulada, well, that's gonna be kind of tough. First of all, Aguardiente. This is a national beverage from Colombia, and of course, for all my people, all my friends, toda mi gente, my real good friend Oscar and Fabián, Mimi Melón, Jay Gutierrez, que nos sugirió que hiciéramos algo con aguardiente. Here we go, my brother, just for you. So, okay, that being said, what is lulo? So, lulo, it is one of the nicest fruits that Colombia has. This fruit is pretty similar to a small orange. As a matter of fact, it's called naranjilla, like small orange. And once you cut it in the center, the color is kind of like a greenish, and it looks like a tomato. So, interesting fact, it is semi-sweet and is pretty acid. So, really hard to get. Very hard to get, and unfortunately, the only way that I could find it, it will be in a plastic bag. And well, I was not very pleased with that thing. I had the chance to have a little taste of it. And after talking to some Colombian friends, they told me that the closest thing it will be like a really cool mix in between lime, pineapple juice, and passion fruit. So we're gonna try to recreate this flavor. But if you can't find the lulo, that'll be way more better. Please just get rid of the pineapple juice and get rid of the actual passion fruit and just use lime and the lulo. So here we go. Let's try to make the lulada. How are we gonna start? 2 ounces of aguardiente. Then we're gonna go for 1 ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce pineapple juice. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh passion fruit. And one of the special secret flavors in it. This is ginger syrup. So we're gonna do exactly the same thing, you guys. If you wanna make it a little bit more thick, that's the way I like it. It's gonna be a full cup of sugar for 3/4 of a cup of water. And then add kind of like a half of a ginger, tiny slice, and just let it simmer until the actual sugar is gone. And you're gonna get this nice yellowish color. You're gonna go for 1/2 of an ounce if you use the pineapple juice. If you are not using the pineapple juice and you're using the actual lulo, then just go for 3/4 of an ounce because you're gonna need a little bit of extra sweet. That being said, el invitado especial, egg white. Just make sure that we're gonna make a lot of foam in a dry shake. And here we go. Give it about like a 15-second shake. And make sure you're holding your tin pretty well. Otherwise, it's gonna pop. Just like it is making it right now. Now, give it a second shake. This looks amazing. Let's get a nice chill cocktail close, right? And let's get into it. Trying to catch all the passion fruit seeds, but I think my strainer is gonna do perfectly fine. Right. We're gonna garnish this little guy with Angostura bitters. Put some little dashes. And with a little help, let's give it a beautiful shape. And we finish it with a nice lemon well. Como así, para toda la gente de Colombia, la imitación de la lulada. Cheers, everyone.